You're a busy kind of person.
It's supposed to be chocolate.
I'll leave this open.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's chocolate, honey, peanut butter. Same as the other thing.
See, I like the wrapping.
Chocolate, peanut butter, honey.
Delight.
That's it. It's called Forest Fairy Honey Peanut Butter Delight.
Forest Fairy? I'm not going to.
A Forest Fairy? I'm going to try it.
It's going to turn into a Forest
I always
Fairy.
wanted to try a Forest Fairy.
Yeah, see, turn into a Forest Fairy.
Yep, exactly what I thought it should taste like.
Ass basket?
Mm-hmm.
Damn it.
It tastes floral. Like, I swear to God, this is going to sound weird, but if I grew wings and shrank, and I flew through the forest and found a forest fairy, and we were like canoodling in the air, flying, it would taste like this.
Canoodling?
We'd have the fairy dust. I swear, I'm not... Try it.
What the heck?
I have no idea what to anticipate with that description.
Well, when you do it, you're going to go there and you're going to go, oh my...
I'm going to fly and canoodle.
There she goes! She's canoodling.
Balls. Once again.
What?
It has wood flavor, like...
Why is that? It tastes like they dipped Mary Jane in cheap chocolate. There you go.
So no canoodle?
I don't know what a canoodle is.
I tasted a fairy adventure.
Fairy adventure.
Not
ready?
like a forest fairy, not like a fairy adventure.
Oh, it's not what I wanted it to be. Damn it.
Sorry.
Here we go. I love it. This is my next best thing ever. Can I have your scrappage?
I like it.
See? Only as he looks at the sky like there's no hope.
Because I honestly just think at this point
it's a joke,
if
right?
there were people watching, they have no basis for it. It's absolutely 50-50 like hate.
Yeah.
Like hate. It's, you know, like there's
But
no...
that's the
and
point.
we're of the same...
Well, I want them to have to go get their own.
Same
It's like you kind of...
I really don't think we're of the same minds anymore.
That's good.
Something happened. It's NPC. We should have been wearing the foil helmets. We missed out.
It's nutty. I like that.
Forest Fairy Nut Delight Honey Taste.
Tell me if you have a fairy adventure.
Like, go delight in your honey and
But
cadoodle.
what does it say?
It says...
Yeah,
it just says honey and peanut candy with chocolate.
Tastes raspberry or something. Very good.
I got excited because I thought it was going to be like peanuts and...
I taste the tulips and the flowers.
It tastes like a canoodle.
I have to make a song out of everything.
It tastes like squirrel.
I'm never going to live that down.
Squirrel nuts.
Squirrel nuts.
It tastes like...
How do you catch a squirrel?
It tastes like peanuts and there's a
Go to the
slight...
tree and act like a nut.
Pull your...
A slight hint of honey.
I'm going to have to tell you later.
That's fun. Do you like it?
I like it, but I think it could be a lot better with these
Yeah,
flavors.
well, I mean...
I happen to love all these flavors.
It tastes like a wood nymph.
I like it.
Serious. All right.
Just like, out of all of this, this is like one of the top ones that I like.
Oh my God. Hold on. Keep recording. Just for the record, I had to look up Urban Dictionary what canoodle means.
You don't know what canoodle means.
I do know. It's a sex thing.
Do you know?
No, just say what it is.
Oh,
I think it's a sex thing.
When an uncircumcised male pulls his foreskin back and touches heads with another uncircumcised male's penis, releasing the skin into the circumcised male's penis, causing a Chinese finger trap effect.
That is not it.
That is not what I taste at all.
That's pretty much what happened to me when I bit that chocolate.
That's not it.
I was spot on. I gotta be honest. I was spot on.
Listen, that's why they said fairy.
That's true.
Look it up in the real dictionary.
Yeah, look up the actual word.
It came up a game.
Oh,
like,
it's funny.
It came up a game.
Oh, that's...
that is not entirely accurate.
No. What's the definition then? Because I got a game, Canoodle, and I was like, oh, okay, Urban Dictionary.
I don't know. I mean, try C.
Getting it on with wild monkeys? Because that was the other one. The other option. Am I spelling it wrong?
I don't know. I'll look it up.
Well, the problem is I listen to people who tell me what things mean and they have no idea, and then when you look it up, it means that. Couldn't get further from what I wanted to say in life with anything, but, you know.
See?
Try a C instead of a K.
Oh, it's a C.
Is it?
Yeah.
Canoodle?
Please help me understand
I thought it was like a tryst, like a kind of a sex tryst, though.
Maybe it's not
like
pronounced canoodle.
Kiss and cuddle amorously.
Yes.
Say it again.
Kiss and cuddle amorously.
Okay, yeah,
Thank
that's
goodness.
what I used the term
That's what it
correctly.
tastes like.
Thank God, because I
Okay.
thought maybe I was,
Forest canoodle.
Well, the other
Very-
one was
Yes.
kissing and cuddling.
They-
Amorously.
Sharing foreskin.
Yeah. Reminds me of a joke.
Oh my god.
No, I'm not
The whole
going to say.
thing
I
is
can't.
just-
All right, I'm going to
Whoa.
sign out before something even worse happens.
Oh,
but I
got
can't
the chills.
imagine
I
anything
actually
get
got
worse.
the chills.
Ooh.
oh my god.
I meant the second definition.